All right, it is the time you have all been waiting for. It is time to draw and announce the semifinalists for the Christmas in July Fairies 2021 giveaway. So let's load up the comment picker, let it do its thing, and find out who our winner is. All right, so that's the link to my video. It's loading up the comments. There's over 500 comments. Thank you so much to everyone who entered. All right, here we go. Let's draw for the semifinalists. And we have our semifinalist, Christy Painter. Congratulations to Christy Painter. You are the semifinalist for my channel. Christy left a really nice comment. She says, "Newbie here, thank you for being a fairy. First off, you had my immediate attention, love your voice and overall energetic vibe. I really look forward to seeing more of your channel." Aw, thank you so much, Christy. She says she has a lot of whips, but mostly is trying to get ahead on some scrubby and dishcloth sets for teachers and holiday gifts. Those are like some fun projects, and I'm sure the recipients are gonna love them. She says, "Good luck to everyone. Stay safe, happy, healthy, and blessed." Well, congratulations, Christy. You were randomly selected as the semifinalist for my channel. So I need you to do a couple of things. The first thing I need you to do is I need you to email me at amanda.craftersautonomous@gmail.com. I'll pop it up here on screen, and I'll put it down in the description so you can make sure you get that email. But what I need you to do is I need you to email me at that email address just saying, "Hey, it's Christy, the semifinalist for Christmas in July Fairies," and then I'll let you know if I need any additional information at that point. And then the second thing I need you to do is to find your comment on the original video. I'll put a link to the original video in the description so you can easily find it, and I will pin your comment at the top. But basically, I just need you to find your comment and edit it and just say, "Hey, I sent the email to you at this time," and that's so that way I can verify if I get an email saying that it's from Christy, that I can double check and see if you've actually edited your comment, so that way somebody else can't try to pretend to be you. It's just a way so I can make sure it's really you contacting me and not someone trying to scam the giveaway. So those are the two things I need you to do. Email me and update your comment. And I do need to hear from you by the end of the day on July 19th, so that way I can get your information over to Dana before the big drawing on the 25th. If I don't hear from you by the 19th, I am gonna have to redraw. So everyone in the comments, mention Christy, let her know that, hey, she's the winner so she can see this. And as I did last year, I didn't announce it again, but I still want to send my semifinalist a little something because, Christy, you're a winner in my book, even if you don't win the big giveaway. But go ahead and email me. I'll get your information so I can send you a little prize as well. Best of luck in the big drawing on the 25th, and I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas in July. Thanks so much, everyone, for participating and watching.